Incremental greetings. Welcome to Plebs Learning. I'm Ian Palau, also known as William Palace. Today I want to show you one new trick that I will be using for coping with also known as expressions. So first, let's take this example, the vocal fry register. That's actually the expression I'm used to. But there are also different names. So the point is that if I am reading about phonetics, I may see this concept but expressed in those different wording. So I may find the same concept but expressed differently, but I am really familiar with the concept. So usually what I do is I make an extract of this and then let's do it manually. So I make, for instance, pulse register, and this is vocal fry register. It's a template, and also known as. That's usually what I do. But I think, and I will be doing for every other possible alternate name. But this is too semantic in nature. In this case will work because I'm already very familiar with it. But if it's a concept that I'm still learning, or I haven't seen this anywhere, so I have not read any single piece of text that is using pulse register. So I'm memorizing the alternate names with no context and with no exposure. It's very semantic. So now I will try a different approach, which is including the definition. Now, what I want to do is including the definition, so I always have context. So I will make an extract. Once again, let me get rid of the HTML. Okay. So first, I need to rearrange the list. So between curly brackets, it's all the names until here. So vocal fry, and then on every name I will have to put a slash. That's the syntax you have to follow for making the decompose. This example is very good because there are so many different names. Now we are done. The next step is actually creating the closed selection. So you want to appear vocal fry register is the lowest. Let's see with the example. Now I will close everything. I don't know if it's the best strategy, but since I'm new to this, I will make this approach for now. So let's go to the we just did, and now is right click, reading, and decompose. And as you can see, my knowledge tree. Okay. I think I dismissed that. Maybe I will just get done, I don't know. So you have vocal register is, pulse register is, and so I'm asking what it is without actually asking what's the name you're already familiar with. So it's not the same where it is here. Pulse register. What it is? That's very hard to answer because I'm not familiar with this expression. The opposite will be true. It's okay, I know this expression, and let me recall what other names it has. Since it's a list, I will do it the other way. Is every other name it has, what's for me the default name? That's I think it's not that suitable. And now I will try to do this. I'm not asking what is the other name with this for this concept. Is this other name for this concept, which is pulse register, what it is? I think it's more semantic to do it like this way. And I will be prompted to do all of them. And in case I fail, I have the key, or this the key already in the title. Okay, glottal fries, vocal fry register, and so on. And I think one limitation is that now if I want to reformulate the closed lesson here, or put some text here, I will have to do it in all of them, all of the childs that have been created. The reformulation doesn't extend to the siblings, as far as I know. So take this as a grain of salt. I'm just learning in public, I'm experimenting. That's a new idea. So I will doing this from now on, and perhaps not in this case because there are so many different names, but if there are 2 or 3, I will still use both, this one, and see what's the difference.